Oh, we got a little stucco portico here at the entrance. Quite a bit of damage. Ooh. It's all wood rot. It's not looking too good. So, we're basically going to come in here and tear it all down. Rebuild it new. Should solve the problem. A little bit of wood rot damage here, but it'll all be gone by the time we're done. Alright. Doing some repairs. A little stucco going on. Nice new concrete base. Forget about wood rot ever happening again. Those days are long gone. Call solid concrete. Got some stucco archways going on here. Beautiful. A little custom flashing up there. Beautiful. I love it. Well, here we have a finished product. All the wood rot is gone. Nice and brand new. Solid concrete. 100% better. Never to rot again. No more rot. All fixed. Beautiful. Little custom brickwork to accommodate the window. A nice new scupper. Collect the water so it ceases to be a problem. There it is. All done.